How to recover your Gmail's password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your Gmail's password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your Gmail's sign in option. So head over to simply sign in to your Gmail. After you're on your Gmail sign in option, type in your email address or your phone number. So I've already typed in mine, and after you're there, simply hit on next option on the bottom right here. This is the option. Tap on next and you'll be prompted to your enter your password section. Now right here what you'll need to do is simply tap on forgot password. Tap on it and it will redirect you to your password recovery. Now you can simply recover your password from your email address or your phone where you're later logged in. So if you're already logged in into your phone into this very account, you can simply open up your Gmail on your phone. Else, if not, you can tap on try another way. And after you tap on try another way, it will prompt you to another option. Now, right here, you will get an email on your other recovery email where you can just type in the code here. So open up your Gmail, and after you open up your Gmail there, so you can simply search for that very code. So yeah, just search for it. So let me just open up my Gmail and open up my Gmail. And after I open up my Gmail, there you should see a verification code, which I can just open it up. So let's open it up, copy this, head over to this again, and paste it here. Then tap on next. And after I tap on next, it will take me to another page where I can reset my password. So now I can choose to update my password or simply continue. So you can tap on update password and create a new password. After you create a new strong password, you can tap on save password and your password will get changed. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.